In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find stocks to day trade using Finviz and the Tradingview Stock Screener step by step, 2025. We'll start with Finviz. Open your browser and head to finviz.com. From the top menu, click on Screener to bring up the Stock Screener dashboard. Next, switch to the Filters tab. Here, set the exchange to NASDAQ, NYSE, and Amex, so you're pulling from the major U.S. markets where liquidity is typically higher. For price, choose a range that fits your strategy. For example, under $20 if you prefer lower-priced stocks. Then set average volume to over 1M. This ensures you're focusing on stocks that trade actively, which usually means tighter spreads and faster fills, both crucial for day trading. Now click the Performance tab. Set change to either up or down to surface active movers. Choosing up highlights rising stocks with momentum. Choosing down highlights those selling off. Both scenarios can create tradable volatility, so pick the direction that aligns with your setup. Once these filters are applied, review the stock list that appears. This is your pool of potential day trading candidates. Scan the names, note their price action, and consider which ones match your criteria for volatility, volume, and risk tolerance. Treat this list as a starting point for deeper analysis on your charts and within your trading plan. Next, let's do the same process in Tradingview, using its correct 2025 layout. Open Tradingview. On the right sidebar, find Screeners. It's grouped with Watchlist, Alerts, Object Tree, Chats, Pine, and Calendars. Click Screeners, then select Stock Screener. Keep the filters simple and focused. Set your preferred price range based on what you trade best. For volume, choose a high volume threshold, for example, above 1M, to prioritize liquidity. For change percent, pick positive or negative, depending on whether you want stocks moving up or down. After your filters are set, sort the results by volume or change percent. Sorting by volume brings the most liquid names to the top. Sorting by change percent brings the biggest movers front and center. From here, click any stock in the list to open it directly on the chart for day trading. Use the chart to validate trend, momentum, and key levels before considering a trade. Remember, the screener narrows your focus. Your strategy and risk management do the final filtering. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.